Hi guys, just Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a Audi Q3. I'll just zoom in for you so you can have a little better look. So this is our 10.25 inch screen, which you can go up to 12.3 if you want, but it works in the I'd say the Audi Q3. I'll put the years down below in the description, but this is the Android Auto app, which is also in action at the moment. So it was just obviously programmed it in with the customer's phone, so he's got an Android phone which gives you the Android Auto. As you can see, it brings quite a lot of apps from his system over to the phone here. The customer has walked away with his phone, so basically he might be starting to drop out connection there, but I'll just go back to that's his TomTom, I think. So we just go back to the original one here. So this is the Android screen here. Just to go back out to car info, so as you see, if I was to just show the radio, so you can see the original system works in conjunction with ours. So obviously I just lower that down, so it works with the steering wheel controls, as you can see. Okay, so yes, this all works in conjunction with the original MMI screen of the car. We'll change that to MPH in a minute. Sorry, that's me just changing over. So there's two ways of getting into the original screen. One is to hold the media button down below, or you can press the touch screen. So as I say, this will be changed over to MPH in a minute for obviously the UK cars. But yeah, so as I say, you don't lose any functionality of the system here. It shows the original Audi screen here, as you can see there. So what we just need to do is we switch over to media and hold that one down there, and basically it goes over to this system here, and that is the home page. As you can see, this little icon, let me get them out the way. This is designed on the user interfaces of the new Audi today. So it's an Android 12 system, I think, with the Snapdragon processor in there. I'll just go give you a little rundown of what it's got. So you got your navigation there, so obviously if you download any apps from the Play Store onto there, you can put like your Google Maps or your Waze and stuff onto the home page. You got your music and video. I'll just show you the little demo video that's on there. You see the sound quality on it. These systems have a DSP sound processor in there. So if I just put the volume up, 1 second, there you go. Oh, that's not going to come on dead loud. So you can see,
imagine a soldier the size of an insect.
So you can feel the quality of the sound in the background. You just lower it back down. So just go back out there. So as you can see, it's nice and responsive. As I say, you would expect that with an 8-core processor. Okay, so you can play your movies and music through a pen drive or videos. That's if you don't use Spotify and stuff. This one here is obviously your Android Auto or your CarPlay if you're an Apple user. This one's your phone. Just bear in mind, this is all an Android operating system. This app here is just an app that's being loaded on there, so obviously that gives you the functionality of most of the Android, but it's a different way of using it. Okay, your weather app here. So obviously that's a nice little function that you get on a lot of new cars today. Just go back out to there. Settings, a lot of the back end settings here, which you can change over just to show you as you would expect with Android. So if we go over to this one here, DVR camera, so you can add a front facing collision camera to this if you want. This is the revs. Basically this would apply to obviously when you put your foot down and speed and stuff like that. As again, we can change that to MPH there. You can change the colour of that if you want, so depending on what sort of day you're having. Let's go back out. Browser, self-explanatory, takes you onto internet shopping if you want. Go iceboxauto.com. Apps here. So here's all where your apps will go into the background set. A lot of them are on a shortcut of the home page anyway. But this is 1 second. Let me just go back. Now, what you've just noticed there is the system going back to the home page, and why that's doing that is because of this little dude here. This fella here, this little robot, is called Topple. It's not being fully checked, but you can turn it off, but it will action what you say to it. So if I say, you'll see it coming up now, home page, see there, so it's doing it for you. So let's try again. Look, see, how can I help you? I haven't fully tested this at the moment, so I don't know how annoying it is or how beneficial it'll be. But as I say, you can turn it off there, but I'm gonna have to be mindful of what I say now, because obviously it's going to complete my action. Let's go back out to the apps there. So I'll just do this. That's that Topple service there, which I was showing you about, and that's that little dude there. He'll do stuff for you, but as I say, I'll probably bring a review on that shortly on a separate video altogether. Okay, so just going back to this here, as you can see, it's got a DSP sound processor on there, so obviously you can enhance your music output on there, which is nice. A lot of systems don't have that feature. Okay, weather app, Google Maps, there's your Play Store icon there. If you want to download any apps on there, if you want to put any third-party apps on there like IPTV, or you can't get the Netflix through Play Store on these systems, but you can download them from a site called apkmirror.com and upload them onto a USB pen, and then you can third-party upload onto your system. So if there's any apps that you can't get on the Play Store, you can do it that way. Let's have a little look. 1 second. There's the file manager. Will do that for you.
Do you want to have a quick look and I'll show you what you need to do?
Okay, so I'll just bring it to an end today. So we're going to put a rear camera on this car, so I'll show you that another time. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and get in touch with us if you need us. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.